Last week when it was so cold, I woke up in the middle of the night and there was no air, heat. I immediately called RJ Kielty, and immediately a staff member took my call and she said there would be someone out early in the morning. When you make that appointment, you will receive an email with a picture of the tech, all of his credentials. They even list some of his hobbies, so you feel like you know him before he rings the doorbell. Being a single lady, it's very important to me that when I put my trust in a company that I know that they have my back, I'm always very confident that when I need their services, that all I need to do is pick up that phone and call. This company is amazing. I would highly recommend that you give them a call, and I promise you that their technicians and all of their staff are very professional and friendly and knowledgeable. Thank you, RJ Kielty.